Hi friends, today I am going to discuss the summary of the chapter, the last lesson. It is the chapter number 1 of Flamingo book of class 12. Author of the chapter last lesson is Alphonse Daudet. In this chapter, author mentions the events about the year 1870 when France was captured by Prussian force in Lorraine and Alsace. French was not allowed to speak. There was an order from Berlin for French teacher to leave. French teacher is unable to stay in his old school. A boy named Franz narrated this story. He is a lazy boy. He likes to play, but he did not like to study French, and he also hated his French teacher named M. Hamel. After taking over Lorraine and Alsace, an order was passed from Berlin that German was taught in this school instead of French. So M. Hamel had to leave. That's why this is the last day of M. Hamel, and it is the last lesson taught by him of French to the class. That's why name of the chapter is the last lesson. M. Hamel has been working for 40 years in this school. He is full of grief. Village men also attend his last lesson to give him honor and respect. Villagers were regretting that why they did not learn their mother tongue in their childhood. Franz received a big shock when he learned that this is his last lesson. He received a big shock because he does not know French. When he come to know that this is his last lesson in French, then the sudden interest arise in him, and he pays full attention and learn everything taught on this last day. Instantly, he developed liking for his teacher M. Hamel. His feeling of hatred for his teacher M. Hamel came into end. He gave respect to his teacher for their hard work and sincerity. Then he said that it is not your fault only, but it is the fault of your parents and mine also. This is because I was not teaching you sincerely. M. Hamel said that the French language is most logical and beautiful language in the world. It seems that he got emotional on this occasion. He asked the class to guard their language. Further, he says that being close to one's language is a way to escape from clutches of slavery. This language will help in attaining freedom from Germans. So friends, in this way, the summary of chapter, the last lesson, is completed. I hope that you have understood it very well. Very well. Thank you.